here tonight. But is a success worth it? Your family, your friends, where are they? Alas, you trudge on. Hello everyone, welcome back to Kingy Plays, and today we are playing Pepper the Giant Purple Dog. That fucking thing. I really don't know anything about this game. I just found it on the internet and I was just like, this looks disturbing as all shit, let's play it. So here we are. Let's get right into it, shall we?
My fellow seekers, welcome to today's Tapping Into the Truth. Pepper the Giant Purple Dog was a video game that never saw the light of day. You see, the game was planned to drop in the year of 2002 under Hagenstein Games. Brian Hagenstein had publicly announced that this project would be the defining pillar of the next generation of gaming.
That doesn't sound good.
That's the thing. It didn't. 2002 came and went, years later, and we're still in the dark. The further I dig myself into this one, the more I find out that this isn't the usual story. This isn't the usual cover-up. And there's something waiting, bubbling beneath the surface that is ready to pop. So, what's our job, seekers? It's to tap into the truth. I brought this to all of your attention, and now it is time we unveil it.
Okay. Pepper the Giant Purple Dog. It's disturbing as all shit, isn't it? Oh.
Hey, Jacob. I hope you're doing good. I know you're busy, but I just wanted to touch base and make sure the CD made it over to you all right. And seriously, please be careful with it. That's one of the only known test copies of Pepper the Giant Purple Dog in existence. Anyway, let me know what you think once you've had a chance to play it. Looking forward to hearing your thoughts, dude. Have a good night.
I'm not looking forward to giving you my thoughts. So this is a game inside a game where we play another game. The Giant Pepper Dog. Yep. Giant Pepper Dog. Makes sense. Alright. Ah, this is horrid. Alright. Pepper the Giant Purple Dog. Space to start. Let's fucking do it. Use X to toggle the computer screen. Alright. Objective, explore Normalville. Alright, I can do that. Hey! Hey, bub! God. It's like fucking Clifford the Big Red Dog, except just 10 times scarier. Why do our hands move like that? Alright. Guess we just explore Normalville. Should I go see Pepper? Hey, Pepper!
Bark.
Bark! Oh, that's horrid. What?
Bark.
Okay. I don't like that at all. Alright. Let's explore Normalville. Ah! Gerald.
Hello
You
and
mate?
welcome to Pepper the Giant Purple Dog.
Thanks,
I'm
mate.
Oscar.
Oh, you're
Take
Oscar.
a look around Normalville. You'll get to meet some great folks.
Sure I
Don't forget
will.
to pick up dog food for Pepper. He's always hungry.
I can do that too. Alright. Oh, bye, Oscar. Who are you, mate?
This is the best place to raise a family.
Is it though? Is it really? Hey.
Welcome. I love Normalville so much. You'll love it here too.
I'm starting to think Normalville ain't so
We
normal.
love the neighborhood.
Yeah. Nobody has this much good thoughts on their neighborhood. That's all I'm saying. There's at least a couple people that have complaints about it. What do you need help for? Alright. Guess we'll go buy some dog food. Hey, Bomb. I just need to get some dog food. Gah! Damn. Must have 15 coins to purchase. Alright, how the fuck do I?
Nice weather we are having.
Yeah. If you can say that, sure.
We just got here one day and never left.
That's not alright. Yeah, bro. Oh my god, what the fuck is? What are you guys
You
doing over
have
here?
quite the big purple dog.
Yeah, I know, it's
How
terrifying.
much food does it take to feed that pet of yours? She is so tall.
Fuck
We've
knows.
been trapped for decades. Our bodies are decaying.
That's
Your dog is so big, it can see over the fence.
yeah. Back and sell something. Find money on the ground. So 15 coins to purchase. Supposed to explore Normalville. Normalville is not too fucking normal. These people are crazy.
We're stuck here.
Yeah.
Hello. How are you today?
Why is that moving on its own for? Oh my god, that's trippy as hell. Fuck, let's go with that. Yeah, sick.
Where did you get that dog of yours?
I honestly don't know. Say it myself, to be fully honest. Can I just go into people's houses? No. No. Can I get up that? Oh, shit. Okay. What the fuck did the music stop all of a sudden? That was creepy. Oh my fucking god. Ah. Alright. Oh, yep. Look at me. Yeah, sorry. Well, I just got fucking destroyed in a matter of seconds. That's fantastic. You don't gotta worry about me, mate. You don't gotta worry about me at all. I'm just gonna collect some coins over here. Where'd he go? There he is. Hey! Hey, bud. Yep. Oh. Here's a storybook for your reward. Thank you. Oh, God. Roboy was the coolest toy around. Was he? He was going to fly off the shelves. Let's skip this. He waited. And waited. Let me guess, and waited? And waited. Oh, okay, that's interesting. So I can toggle my computer. Oh, shit. No, it's full screen. That's fantastic. Hey,
We
love.
love the neighborhood.
Love? That's a dude. That's a full-grown dude. I can talk to everyone again?
Welcome. I love Normalville so much.
This is the best
Love it
place to
here
raise a
too.
family.
Okay,
Help me.
yeah. They're the best place to raise a family. This is an awesome neighborhood. Help me.
Nice weather we are having.
Feed Pepper. Alright. Oh, I don't want to feed Pepper. Why do I feel like Peppa is gonna not, like, be full? Why do I feel like he's gonna want to eat more than I have for him? Look at him. That creepy cunt. Alright, Peppa. Here's your food. Yeah. Is that good, bud?
Thank you for feeding me.
You
Are
can talk!
surprised to hear me speak?
Yes!
To hear me talk in your language?
Very much
That
so.
is usual for the first time people meet me. I like you
Okay.
though. You were quick to get the job done.
Alright, Peppa. I'm gonna fucking ignore that you can speak, hmm? How about that? That was not nice. Hey, Oscar.
Your pet is super radical. How did she get so tall? Or he? The dog's name is Pepper, right?
Yeah.
Does it have a cat companion called Salt? Ha 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 ha.
Listen, dude, this is just a stupid routine I have to go through every time someone plays the game. Things are about to get a bit crazy, so strap in. But just a reminder, do what Pepper says.
Okay. Pick up the poop. Yep. Oh, fuck's sake. Yeah. We are picking up shit like our life depends on it. How the fuck do you get shit on the other side of the fence? Oh. Alright. Talk to Peppa. I don't want to. If I'm being honest. I just picked up his shit. Oh, God. Oh. Pardon me.
So a bit of a news flash. We actually don't have any more dog food.
Yeah.
Big oversight by the developers. While I don't have a stomach, I do have all the feelings of hunger. And I am hungry again. So, unless you want to be eaten, I need you to take care of this little problem I have here. I need you to kill your neighbors. Go to the basement. You should be able to jailbreak the game tonight mode through the code.
Oh! Oh, fuck, alright. It took a turn real fucking quick. I need you to kill your neighbors. Really? Okay, what the fuck? Some weird shit going on right now. I wonder why this game never fucking released, bro. Okay. It's night time now? Oh, still a puzzle. Yeah, fair enough. Yay! I did it! I have to do it again. Why? What the fuck? Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck, that's not nice at all. Oh, that is not nice at all. Oh, that's not nice. Oh, God, it's fucking nighttime now. Oh, hey, Peppa. Oh, fuck right off. Oh, fuck right off.
Welcome back. Hope it wasn't too difficult. Now, here's the fun part.
Yeah.
I need you to go to Oscar's house and
Oh, not
kill
Oscar.
him for me. I'm tired of him, honestly. He warns people like you, and they don't even need to be warned. Wouldn't you agree?
Yep.
It's the house in the back far right of the street.
Oh, fuck, I'm gonna have to go kill Oscar. He told me about this. He told me that this isn't real. He told me I'm in a fucking Matrix. Huh. Oh my god, alright. I only had to walk past it like 6 times. Oh. Oh, fuck. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, he's in the middle of taking a shower. What a
I
shame.
know. I should have expected it to be me. Been a long time coming.
Why
I just hope you know what you've signed up for, pal. Do the honors. At least you'll be taking me out of this wretched world.
Jesus fucking Christ. Oh, fuck me. And we just put him in a rubbish bag. Oh my god. Alright. No police in this world? Fuck, I hope not. Just murdered a man and stuffed him in a rubbish bag, so... I'm just gonna throw him in my basement like nothing's happened. Fuck for those, no. Okay. Oh, fuck, we'll put him in the grinder! Oh, that's... And that just came out as fucking dog kibble somehow. Alright. You go, Pepper!
Good boy.
Oh, fuck. You're welcome. Can I pat you? You don't eat me? Oh my god, he was caressing that shit.
Where are you going?
Oh god. No, I didn't want to do that.
Don't leave me.
Oh, fuck it, yeah. Oh, fuck yeah, you're screwed now, aren't you, man? Oh my god. Well, that was weird. That was eerie as well. Fuck, that was disturbing, honestly. I don't think I like that too much. I don't think I like Pepper the giant purple dog anymore. I still was just gonna be like, no, it's just Clifford, the big red dog. Big red dogs are nice. No. Alright. Well, that was Pepper, the giant purple dog. That was eerie as all shit. You guys enjoyed that? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.